Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. So today we have a lecture 3 of my trading strategy on gold and forex. So in this video I will going to show you what is the mitigated and unmitigated engulfing. Okay, so previous two lecture I explained you the basic engulfings and the valid and invalid engulfing. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe it and make sure you watch the lecture 1, lecture 2. Okay, I also make the playlist on this specific strategy. If you combine this strategy with ICT, it will be a more and more profitable, and you can say it will increase your accuracy. Okay, so let's get started. So before I show you example on the chart, I will explain you a little bit the theoretical here. So what we have a basic, all things start with the basic thing. Like we have this engulfing, right? So this is the basic engulfing. It's look like an order block, right? First candle and the second candle. We have here important role of wick as well. So what you have to do now, you have to write this thing, or you have to remember from this lecture. Slowly we are reaching to our strategy, okay, where exactly you need. So the point is, if you have like this engulfing or any candles, valid engulfing should be a valid one, okay, then you have to mark this from top wick of this candle till the last wick. Okay, so if we are here, okay, in a bullish scenario, it's look like that. This will be a green candle, this will be a red candle. Okay, you have always mark from the top and the bottom with wick, right? So what will be the mitigated and unmitigated engulfing on this scenario? On this scenario, any candle after that third candle as well, the third candle who's open here, this candle wick should not touch this area. Okay, if it's touch, it will become a mitigated engulfing pattern. Okay, means the probability of this area will be a lesser than the unmitigated engulfing area. Now you understand what I am going to say you. Means if these wick touch this area by a smaller point as well, we thought it will be become a mitigator, means it's become and suddenly mitigate this area and go to the opposite side. When the market come back, that will be I explain you in the next video, but the probability of this area will be a little bit less. So the most high accurate engulfing area is where the no any candle or wick should touch on that area from this top and the bottom. Okay, should not touch. Same vice versa for the bearish engulfing. We have here bearish candle, then we have a red candle. Okay, so we are going to first make a wick here. Okay, and wick here. We are going to mark the total wick. Okay, so the third candle, it will open from here. Okay, it should not touch this area. If it's touch, it will become mitigated. If it does not touch, these engulfing become unmitigated. Okay, so now let me show you some example on it. Okay, so a little bit example here, and we are in a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so forget about this area, forget about this area, think that it didn't came. But if you see, this is the candle, first candle did not close above it, till now it's not become a valid. This second candle that make it valid, right? So we mark like that. Okay, so if you see here, this candle close above, this candle did not touch this area. Okay, so it's become the unmitigated engulfing area. Okay, so when the market come here, it will give us a reaction. Okay, from the top, if we see top, sorry about that, from the top almost 300 pips. Okay, let's also show you another thing. Here on the same area we have this candle, right? This candle, first candle, then second candle close below it. Okay, so it's become the valid, but the third candle touch this area, so it's become a mitigated area. The probability of this area will be a less, a little bit here. If we see this area, these become engulfing. First, second, any candle should not touch. If it touches, it become a mitigated area. Then when price came here, give us a good reaction. Okay, vice versa, same for bullish as well. Like here, I'm giving you examples. Okay, these engulfing valid after these candle close above of this area, but the very next candle touch that area, so it's become the mitigated engulfing. Okay, see, this become a valid, price came, give us reaction 120 50 pips. Okay, so later I will explain you how you can use ICT on this specific area, what your role should be, so that make your accuracy more. Okay, so now I hope you understand what is the mitigated and unmitigated engulfing. In the very next video, I'm going to explain you how you can trade with the basic engulfing. Means from next video, if you watch that next video, after that you can start back testing and you can find the trades and you can find the accuracy of these setup. Excuse me. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe it. The second thing, if you don't have any prop firm, make sure you join our best instant funding prop firm that I will give you the link in the description. Make sure you join from there. It will be a very cheap, it will be very affordable for you. Until next time, be safe.